pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I hope you are having a wonderful day and thank you for clicking on this video. I have a very heavy unboxing from the American Influencer Awards Beauty Bundle. It is $34.99 bi-monthly. Yes, bi-monthly. So I got a sneak peek. I think it's hair products. I'm not sure, but we're going to open her up. You know what's weird is I'm supposed to get Boxycharm today too, and FedEx just dropped this one off, so they'll be back in a bit. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here we are. Oh, geez. More tape. All right. Something smells good. Maybe it's me. All right. Whoa. Okay. Whew. Here it is. This is what she looked like. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Something's leaking. That's why.
Oh, you see it? It's all in the box.
No. Oh man. That is not good. I don't want something to leak. Okay. Let's try to move past that. What do? We have a shampoo. All right. Let me see. Towel of some sort here. Oh, it's this thing. Deluxe Prime. It is completely saturated. That is what it is. Okay. The Deluxe Prime travel size. Top selling product is a versatile protein infused spray that restores devitalized, fragile, damaged, and chemically treated hair. It detangles the hair, leaving it soft and silky. Okay, that is cool. It doesn't give me a price. I don't know. Do these ones give you prices? I don't remember. We don't get them that often. I'm so freaking sad right now that it leaked. Okay, so now we've got this. All right. This was the primer. The one that anti-frizz. It treats damaged hair, leaves it silky and smooth. Then the Night Spa Serum, highly moisturizing, reconstruction, anti-aging, anti-frizz, anti-aging, Night Spa. It is a hair treatment. Okay. And it says it's a serum formulated and recommended for weekly application to keep the hair healthy until the next salon visit. All right. Oh, they all smell pretty much similar, I think. Okay, now we've got a hair protector. I'm trying not to, stuff all over the place. A lightweight gel cream based daily leave-in that restores hair's natural structure, detangles, and offers thermal protection from the blow dryer and flat iron. Promotes nutrition, hydration, restores the natural structure of the hair, and protects the strands from external aggressions. Wow, they really go all out with the way they're wording these things. Hold, shine, volume. Okay. Let me just see if it all smells similar. Yeah, it does. It's very fresh scent. Almost smells like Tide. Seriously. Okay. So now we've got the serum that was a detangler, the Prime, the travel size, and then we've got the AIA Tangled Leave-In Treatment. The all-in-one product that is a must-have. Tangled is a lightweight mist that conditions, enhances, shine, and fights the frizz with just one mist. I always get worried that the pumps don't work. Okay, that one does. Ooh, okay. This is pretty neat. Who is this influencer? What is her name? Truss. When I founded Truss almost 20 years ago, I wanted to create products that would deliver results beyond the expectations of hairstylists and their clients. Okay, so Crazy for a Truss. What is her name? Manuel Bosa? I don't know. That's it right there. And she's very pretty. Here she is. Okay. Now I think we're getting down to the shampoo and the conditioner. Yep. Okay. This is the conditioner. Let's look at the shampoo first. Okay. Here is the shampoo bottle. It's huge and heavy. It says infusion shampoo. It's 100% vegan based for dry, dull, damaged hair. Cleanses and treats fibers, adding intense shine. Anti-aging. No added salts or dye. Physiological pH color protection, recommended for daily use. Okay. Does it have sulfates in it? That is what I want to know. Yes. The first ingredient says aqua, and the second is tealauryl sulfate. And then it says sodium laureth sulfate. Sulfates ruin your hair. Now let's look at the other ingredients down here. It does have a lot of extracts: wheat, magnesium, sodium phosphate, magnesium chloride, salicylic acid. There's alcohol in here. There's other things in here. Okay. It's got the expiration date on the back of it too. I do not use products that have sulfates in it. Sulfates strip the hair. So basically by putting sulfate as the second and third ingredient in here, that is the majority of what's in this product. And then you've got added stuff that is supposedly good for your hair. So in reality, this is something that, would you use it? Would you not? I mean, it might work well for you. It's possible. I mean, we used to use shampoos with sulfates all the time. But in my opinion, hell no!
Bye, Felicia.
Yeah, that's what I have to say about that. Okay, let's go with the conditioner. Infusion conditioner. Oh, that might be the FedEx people again, realizing I have another box. 100% vegan based for dry, dull, damaged hair. Deeply hydrates and restores the strands, covering them with a protective layer for stronger, shiny hair. Anti-aging, no added dye, physiological pH, color protection, recommended for daily use. Okay, again, let's look at the ingredients. The first ingredient is aqua. The second is cetyl alcohol, cetrimonium chloride, alcohol, isopropyl myristate, perfume, fruit wax, seed oils. This is straining my eyes. I just want you to know that. But I'm looking. This looks better than the shampoo, but it does have a lot of alcohol and salicylic acid. But I do not see sulfate, although it might be disguised as something else. It has dimethicone in it too, which is a skin softener. So that's what's softening your hair. That's added to a lot of lotions too as well. So in reality, okay, this doesn't, there might be sulfates in here. I'd really have to go through the ingredient list, which there's a lot on here. But overall, I mean, I love getting this box. I'm not going to lie. I totally do. And I love trying out new products. I've gotten good hair products before, and I'll probably wind up using, yeah, like I can totally use, this has got aloe in it. If you're allergic to aloe, stay away from it. The detangler on myself, my daughter. Then there's this primer. I have to clean it up, but it's got dimethicone, alcohol. Yeah, use after shampoo and before a mask or conditioner. Oh, okay. So you rinse this out. You actually wash your hair and then you use this and then you rinse it out. Oh, see, the top was loose. Okay, so let's look at these other ones. Hair protection, leave-in spray. Let me see what the ingredients are. Yeah, there is some parabens in here. sodium benzoate, alcohol, and a couple I can't read. Let's see the night spa. Aqua, alcohol, vegetable oil. That's weird. And sometimes they'll even put a blend of stuff and then put down a huge word with like 80 letters in it. And really it's a blend of a bunch of different things. Always read your ingredients. Okay, this one says sodium citrate, and yeah, so some of them have chemicals in it. There's some that I will use, and anything with sulfates I will not use, and I will definitely be paying attention to all of that. But that concludes the box. We got the travel size, which is a deluxe sample, and then we've got 5 full-size items for $34.99. I do think this box is worth it, definitely, for sure. But again, you already know I'm not going to use the shampoo. It's possible I'll use the other items and let you know, but I do actually have a line of products for my hair that are all natural to help keep it, you know, from getting damaged and unhealthy. And I have this scalp scrub and all this stuff that I use that I pay like a fortune for, but it works for me, so I love it. I actually just cut my hair. It's starting to get really long, but anyhow, so this is what I have for you guys today. I need your thoughts. Would you use this shampoo with sulfates in it? Are you one that would use that, or are you one that wouldn't, or are you one that because you bought the product you're going to use it? Those are the questions I have for you guys. Please put your answers in the comments below. I love you so very much. Be sure to check out my other videos. I have some new ones with new products coming up and a whole bunch of stuff about the end of the year giveaway. I love you. Bye.